Hi. So in this video, we're going to start off on something very exciting on how we can use the OLED display on the ESP32 extension board. All right, so where is the OLED display? The OLED display is this square display over here. All right, so this display is actually very nice, very impressive. All right, and you can use it to have some graphics, some text, numbers, animations, and so on. Depends. Okay, it all depends on what exactly you want to show. All right, so we're going to get started. All right, and to be able to use this display, we first need to install the appropriate libraries or packages. Now these are all already freely available on GitHub. So this is the GitHub link. All right, this is the GitHub link over here. And what you need to do is this link, I'll share it with you in the description of the video. What you need to do is when you come to this page, click on code and click on this download zip. All right, so this will save the zip file to your device. Now once that is done, you need to add it to your Arduino IDE. So you need to come to sketch, include library, and add zip library. Okay, and then what you need to do is you need to go to the folder where you have saved it. Okay, and click open. Okay, in this case I already have installed the library, but no problem, I can still overwrite it. So when you do that, it will hit successfully install and you will see this message called library install. Now this is the first step. Okay, so make sure you do this step to make sure the library is installed correctly. In my next video, I will go through the steps on how to write the code with this library to display some very nice stuff on the OLED display. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.